Welcome to The Light of the Torah, Episode 6. Today the topic is going to be about a spiritual law called equivalence of form, also called walking or emulation. Kabbalist Lightman said that the wisdom of Kabbalah teaches a practical method of attaining the upper world and the source of our existence. By realizing our true purpose in life, man attains perfection, tranquility, unbounded enjoyment, and the ability to transcend the limits of time and space while still living in this world. The upper force or upper world refers to God, God's inner qualities, or the qualities of godliness. Kabbalist Lightman refers to attaining perfection and tranquility because when a person inherits or begins to attain God's inner qualities, that person can stop making major mistakes because now they are aware of the laws of nature on the human level that was causing most of their suffering, and can now experience more tranquility and inner peace. When attaining the upper world and learning God's inner qualities, a person is granted the ability to transcend time and space while still interacting with people like a normal person in this world. Time can sometimes be no longer felt because a person is now experiencing more joy from altruism, which is longer lasting than the fleeting pleasures of egoism. Time can sometimes fly when a person experiences enjoyment and happiness from altruism. Time is sometimes felt as being very slow. There can be very slow periods of pain when a person experiences too many fleeting pleasures because of the absence of the pleasure that follows in egoism. A person can become numb and feel very low and depressed as a result of experiencing high peaks of fleeting pleasures felt by the desires of egoism. When studying Kabbalah, a person still lives or stays in the physical world, but now a person moves in spiritual space by moving away from egoism and towards altruism, and moving closer to friends in spiritual space because of similarity of form or equivalence of form and qualities, and moves closer to God as well. Through this force or law of equivalence of form, emulation, or walking, a person can gradually attain perfection, tranquility, and unbounded enjoyment. Fleeting pleasures are bounded. They exist, and then when they become fulfilled, they become extinguished, no longer felt. They are limited, unlike the joy felt from altruism that is longer lasting, that can be relived and recalled as an enjoyable memory. The law of equivalence of form is the process of transforming the 613 qualities from their egoistic state to their altruistic state or godly state. Equivalence of form works like this. Two objects in close proximity to one another in the physical world are considered to be close and are measured by distance in inches and feet, and objects that are far away from each other are considered to be distant. Like the distance between my hands. In the spiritual world, distance is measured by either similarity of form or disparity of form. If one friend likes to degrade people and another friend despises degradation, then those two people are considered distant on that particular quality. If one friend tries to avoid degradation and the other friend always avoids degradation, then those two friends are considered close on that particular quality. If one friend always avoids degradation and another friend always avoids degradation, then those two people are bonded, are the same, unified on that particular quality, and can be considered best of friends. The same principle applies to God of similarity and disparity of form. The more commandments one observes, the greater the similarity or equivalence of form one comes to God, and the fewer commandments one observes, the greater the disparity of form occurs, and one grows very distant and disconnected from God. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you again next time. Bye.